Okay guys, I'm back. This is Lovely Pamela, and I believe I was showing you the jumper from Citi Trends. I got a jumper like this from Citi Trends. You can wear it in the fall or the summer or the spring because it has like that cranberry grayish blue, and it goes down to the mid-length of your leg, and you can wear it with a brown sweater over or a crop sweater or whatever during the fall with some boots that come up. And I also got this shirt here from them, and this is what it looks like, and it's like that on the shirt, and it does that, and it has the wide bottom. So that's what I got from them another day. So now let's talk about the makeup products. Of course, you guys know I love makeup. Okay, if you guys didn't see my nails, they're back long, number one. And this is the color IMSPG sent me from the HD Ruby Kisses, and this is a new color. And this is an old color called Purple Potion from Sally Hansen's Hard as Nails. So let's get started. These are some new polishes called Shelly, spelled with C-H-E-L-L-Y. This is number 69, shade number 69. They're from Shelly Cosmetics Inc. in Miami, Florida, so it's right down the road from me. But this is one of the colors. Had to make sure I was still recording. This is another color. It's shade 72. They're in Walgreens at the Cosmetic. If you see them in Walgreens, pick them up. They're very vibrant, as you see. They're very, very bright, very vibrant. So that's that color. Then I have number 16, which is what I have on my nails. They're $3.29 for two, or $1.99 for one. So you come out better buying the two. But this is shade number 16, and then I got a UV 30-second polish dryer top coat in UV, non-oily, and it really works because that's what's giving my nails the shine that you guys see on them. You don't need a lot, as you see, to do a whole set of nails. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll be back with my last little part of my haul. Be back.